Grab your coffee and let's sit down and chat about being eco-friendly. I'm gonna be real here. It's really difficult to be eco-friendly all the time. And that's why I'm never gonna sit here and be like, this is exactly what you need to do every single day to be eco-friendly. Hello, everyone. I'm Marissa. Welcome to the Eco Connection. I'm so excited to go through this video series with you because it truly means a lot to me. The name of the video series is Eco-Friendly Living, a Comprehensive Guide. So in this series, I'll be talking all things eco-friendly, obviously, but I'm gonna dive deep into how you can make small, sustainable changes and start to live more eco-friendly. The key here is building that awareness of the choices that we make and that impact on Mother Earth. So let's go ahead and dive right in. What does being eco-friendly mean? Eco-friendly just translates to not harmful to the environment. So that includes things that are sustainable, renewable, or non-toxic. Eco-friendly just means that you try to make choices every day that has Mother Earth in mind. So an example of something that's eco-friendly are reusable water bottles. And that's because you can use the water bottles over and over again, and you're not using those plastic water bottles, which contributes to plastic waste. Another example of something that's eco-friendly is organic food. You can usually tell if something's organic because there's a label on it. If something is organic, it means that there weren't any synthetic pesticides or fertilizers used, which is great because synthetic pesticides or fertilizers can be pretty damaging to the land and to the soil. The key is that you want to build that awareness so that you're constantly thinking about the choices that you make and how that impacts Mother Earth. And I know what you're thinking, Marissa, that sounds like a lot of work. Well, it is a bit of an effort, but it's not as much as you think, and it's really rewarding to have Mother Earth in mind. Mother Earth has so much to give us. I think the least we can do is just take a couple extra seconds and think about the choices that we make and that impact that it makes on Mother Earth. One word that you'll see a lot on my website and on my channel is eco-conscious. And being eco-conscious just means that you're aware of the choices that you make and how that impacts the environment. And once you build that awareness, you can make more sustainable choices. So this goes beyond just buying a green product. It's about understanding the full life cycle of a product and the social impact that it makes. People like to use eco-conscious and eco-friendly hand in hand, but there is a little bit of a difference in my opinion. It just takes the concept of eco-friendly living a little bit further. You're not only choosing products that are better for the environment, you're also trying to understand the broader impact of your choices, such as how a product is made, who is making it, and what are the conditions of the workers. I can create a whole video just talking about being eco-conscious, and I probably will in this series, so stay tuned as we dive a bit deeper into what being eco-conscious means. So I hope I haven't scared you away at this point and made you think that being eco-friendly is a lot of work. It's not. Why focus on eco-friendly living? Well, it's pretty simple. Our planet really, really needs the help. And how do I know that? Just look at how Mother Earth is reacting. The levels of flooding has been insane recently. And natural disasters in general, it seems like it's been intensifying. And there's a reason for that. Climate change. And guess what? That's because of the choices that we make. There are piles and piles of clothes just sitting in landfills because they're not made from sustainable resources. And that's because of fast fashion. This will be another video that I'll go a bit deeper into that. So this just shows us how our lifestyle choices are affecting Mother Earth, and we need to make some changes now. Businesses have a responsibility to step up and make sustainable changes. But sustainability also starts with us. Personally, when I make sustainable choices, I feel so good about it. It's definitely an empowering experience, and in addition to that, we're making good choices for Mother Earth. So it's a win-win for us and for Mother Earth. So some of the topics I'll be going over are reusing kitchen scraps and being intentional about the products and the ingredients that we use. Also, eco-friendly cleaning solutions, because who would have thought that companies are putting really bad stuff in our cleaning products. And if you have any other recommendations on specific eco-friendly topics that you'd like me to go over, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to see what you are curious about, and let's learn and grow together. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to have you on this journey with me. I hope you're just as excited to learn about eco-friendly living as I am to talk about it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure that you're following along and you don't miss any of the content. Bye!